The following podcast is strictly for entertainment purposes. The show is just a medium to express what an average 18 to 20-year-old thinks about certain topics. Neither me nor my guests are experts on any of the topics discussed. Viewer discretion is advised.
You feel how often do you feel frustrated or let's say angry?
ऑल द
Yeah,
टाइम
angry.
दिल्ली के वैसे लोग होते हैं, हाँ भाई आ जाओ.
अब तो
So
मैं भी दिल्ली आ गया, मेरे में भी एंगर ऐसे मस्त फील हो रहा है.
yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Big Brain Time. Joining me tonight is the very smart, the very handsome Mr. Aaron O'Broy. Hello, sir. Ajo, sir. Very interesting gentleman with us tonight, huh? Spirituality and now
Yes,
Ayurveda and
you
wellness.
have done one podcast and it was amazing.
Mm-hmm. Like
Honestly,
पिछला वाला was like so interesting. I really like I was looking forward to this कि ठीक है कुछ मस्त कुछ काम की चीज आएगी, ठीक है वो पहले कुछ पता नहीं
स्पेसिफिकली भी चेक करते रहता हूँ. तो आगे बता रहे थे.
हाँ सीरियस. अरे आई लाइक शूटिंग द स्पिरिचुअलिटी वाला भाई. इतना सारा कंटेंट तो छोड़, इतना ज्यादा मेरे को कंटेंट मिला ना, दिमाग लाइक ज्ञान मिला मेरे को इतना. इवन तो कुछ फिक्स नहीं किया मैंने लाइफ में बट स्टिल. So we're going to be talking about Ayurveda and wellness, right? Food, Ayurveda and wellness.
Food, Ayurveda and like the mind basically. Food and connection with the mind. बहुत चीजें बात करेंगे. Off topic भी जाएंगे तो. कोई
So,
problem नहीं.
why don't you start us off with how is it connected to our mind, food and stuff? How is it?
Yeah. So basically, let me talk about like I have been reading Ayurveda since the past 1 year, and I have been like incorporating Ayurvedic lifestyles, trying various diets. I always used to feel ki, why is it that I feel tired all the time? Ki why is it that मैं खाना खाता हूँ and when food is literally used to give me energy, why is it that I go to sleep after I eat food? And then I was asking all these questions ki I want to stay alert and agile all the time, and how so because all of us we need to do a lot of mental work. Now let us look at you. You're you're a YouTuber, right? तेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा एक तो you need passion for which you have
Thank
for
you.
YouTube, but at the same time you need the energy to like stay in an imaginative zone, in a creative zone and concentrated zone. कि तेरे को वीडियो एडिट करने में शायद घंटे घंटे लग जाएंगे. So you need that concentration and also imagination and innovation.
हाँ that's what हाँ because you also burn out while you're because मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता है because if you're creating something you I burn out very quickly. I come up with an idea, I record it, I put it up and then I forget कि अब I'm a creator because मेरे को इतना एक तो इतना the more I think about it the more hard it becomes to कि कुछ करना है कुछ वो करना है. It just comes up naturally but
Or
हाँ
like
कि
constantly you have to think about ideas.
right.
Burnout hoga, but like how can we reduce that burnout? And have you asked yourself the question ki how can I make myself more creative? So again, there are again many things you could do. You could try meditating and you could try watching more content. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. But what we don't know is that food is also a part of our creativity, of our emotion, mainly our emotion. Abhi, you feel how often do you feel frustrated or let's say angry?
All the
Yeah,
time.
angry.
दिल्ली के वैसे लोग होते हैं, हाँ भाई आ जाओ.
अब तो मैं भी दिल्ली आ गया, मेरे में भी एंगर ऐसे मस्त फील हो रहा है.
yeah, aggressiveness अभी आ जाएगी थोड़ा. It will take
हाँ,
time.
एयरपोर्ट
But
पे उतरते ही.
एयरपोर्ट पे लड़ाई दिल्ली पहुंची.
हाँ, तो तू बहुत चिकन खाता है क्या? Are you
Right.
you love non-veg?
A lot. I love it. Chicken, mutton,
Yeah, yeah,
fish. I don't
yeah.
like that.
So so again, uh, every emotion we have in our body is connected to the food we eat. If we eat a certain type of food, it can help amplify a certain type of emotion or a state of mind. And yeah, I am not speaking this I'm speaking this out of my own experience also, but I'm also speaking this out of sheer, like, I've read this also. I've been reading this in Ayurveda. So अब तू बहुत चिकन खाता है.
Mm-hmm.
So again, many people would argue with me on this. This is not scientifically backed, so I want everyone to have an open mind and try it for yourself. If you don't like something, if you think that I'm talking nonsense, try it for yourself and see.
Mm-hmm.
तो तेरे को naturally anger आएगा if you eat a lot
चिकन
of
खाने
chicken.
से
Again,
है ना,
anger
ऐसा
is not a
seriously?
bad thing if you eat a lot of non-vegetarian food in general, because not just non-vegetarian food, many other foods are.
Spicy
Let
food.
me give you the
Does like
explanation of
spicy
why
food make you angry?
spicy food makes you angry, right?
है ना? हाँ.
So before we talk about why non-vegetarian or spicy food makes you angry, we'll talk about the three types of food in Ayurveda.
Mm-hmm.
Which is, Ayurveda says there are three types of food. I am only talking about for the mind, not for the body. You don't think for foods as like a mind thing. हम लोग सोचते हैं अखरोट खा लेंगे हमारी बहुत बड़ी ब्रेन हो जाएगी.
बिग ब्रेन टाइम.
सच बात है. हाँ वही तो.
अखरोट से बिग ब्रेन टाइम हो जाए.
हम यहाँ बैठ के अखरोट खाते हैं बस.
हाँ. नहीं बट हाँ like हाँ बता वो how is it connected to your mind food, the three types of food?
So like every emotion, if you think about it, whatever, like we carry this heap of body, which is nothing but food, assimilated into skin, muscle, heart, and blood, everything.
हम्म.
तो हर फूड हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जाके क्या सेम चीज बनाता है.
एनर्जी मिलती
लाइक
है ना मोस्टली फूड से. that's what I know.
एनर्जी मिलती है बट हम ग्रो भी तो करते हैं.
राइट.
तो जैसे अगर हार्ट है,
हम्म.
अब एवरी टाइम हार्ट के टिश्यूज भी वेयर आउट करते हैं, like dead skin, and every time our body is regenerating and building new tissues for
Correct.
every cell in the body.
हम्म.
तो what kind of food, ये नहीं कि हम एक रोटी खाएंगे तो उससे हमारी स्किन बनेगी, उससे हमारे हेयर बनेंगे, उससे हमारा लाइक मसल बनेगा. मसल के लिए हमने बेसिक पढ़ रखा है, प्रोटीन खाते हैं.
बिल्डिंग
Fat के लिए
ब्लॉक्स.
fat.
यस, प्रोटीन
भाई,
बचपन में पढ़ा था.
building blocks,
या
mitochondria is power. तो
So,
लाइक हर सेल का, हर फूड का फंक्शन डिफरेंट. And certain foods help build our brain also, because our brain is also tissues. Our tissues are wearing off all the time and we are growing. So naturally, if we eat shit food, our brain will not develop. And again, even our hormones, our glands are made of food. I'm just trying to give the logical explanation of how food is related to emotion and states of mind.
but how does Ayurveda works its way into all this?
Yeah, Ayurveda explains what type of food you need for what type of emotion. So I'll explain three types of foods that Ayurveda says. Three types of food are Sattvic, Rajasic, and Tamasic. Okay, according to Ayurveda, these are the three types of foods categories for mind.
Okay.
Sattvic food will keep you calm and pure and clear-headed. It might say कि it will help you, और फिर से बैठ के meditation नहीं होती. Let's say someone से बैठ के meditation नहीं हो पाती, वो बिल्कुल concentrate नहीं कर पाता, anxiety thoughts ये सब. Can say again, not necessarily depends, but you can say कि the type of food you're eating is not aiding in your meditation.
अच्छा.
And yeah, if you want to think down calmly and think very creatively, that type of food will help. Sattva food is mainly like peace. तुम peacefully चीजें सोच पाते हो. You have inner, you can settle down and sit.
Okay. There is no chaos basically. मतलब सात्विक. This is सात्विक, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sattva, like calm.
Calm.
And the next is basically Sattva category where we have natural foods, the way nature is intended. Let's say fruits. Fruits are sattvic in nature. Again, anything eaten too much is tamasic food according to Ayurveda. Overeating is tamasic. You should eat, according to Ayurveda, you should eat when your stomach is full, and not कि जब तक मेरे ब्रेन को
ठूसते रहो.
satisfaction नहीं मिलता. और बेसिकली हम सब वैसे ही करते हैं.
Correct.
ब्रेन को जब तक सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलता, मैं एक और चिकन का पीस, एक और बाइट ऑफ राइस खा लेता हूँ, तब तो ब्रेन को सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलेगा. बट एकदम
Momos doesn't come under सात्विक.
भाई मोमोज तो
Momos is like the purest form of Purest form of peace. Momos. Chill have high.
Momos, I will also not argue with this.
Yeah, there is an exception to all. Momos तो दिल के करीब है
Momos
bro.
exception.
Yeah, yeah.
Momos
Another
जितने खाने
Delhi
खा
thing.
लो, all big in time viewers.
Yeah, yeah.
जल्दी आके खाओ.
It's a
हाँ.
Delhi thing. हाँ, but हाँ, continue. बाकी का.
So next is Rajasic food. Satvik is like sitting food, calm food. Next is Rajasic food, Raja food, Rajasic. Basically, it constitutes foods which are passion inducing, like spicy foods, like let's say a lot of chana ki dal and mainly protein rich foods do come under not necessarily but do come under Rajasic. So we can say dal jo hoti hai, chicken also in small quantities and meat does come under Raja because it is passion inducing. It will make you want to do things like a Raja. Work of a king is to govern and his subjects and also to rule. You need passion and creativity for that. तो अगर पैशन है तो क्रिएटिविटी है.
Correct.
यूजली पीपल से कि जिसका एक डोमिनेंट नेचर होता है. You think आपका एक you have a Rajasic nature. Mostly the kind of foods that we are eating is Rajasic nature in nature. So Rajasic nature dominating personality. If you think that you need creativity, but at the same time you need calmness, but at the same time you need passion, eat more Sattvic and Rajasic foods. All the viewers can research on what Sattvic Rajasic is. I'll not explain it. So passion inducing. Right? Will give you the will to do things. Now, the third type of food is tamasic food. It is sleep inducing and it is tiring. Again, sleep is a good thing, but
But
you feel
पूरा
tired
टाइम
all
तो
the
नहीं
time.
सोते रहोगे ना. हाँ, correct.
Right. Afternoons में नहीं सोना चाहिए. We sleep in the afternoons, right?
Correct.
This is
बहुत
an
ज्यादा.
Indian thing. खाना खा के सो
दोपहर
जाओ.
दोपहर की नींद
हमारे
जरूरी होती
सारे
है.
पेरेंट्स सोते हैं.
हाँ, हाँ. अरे नहीं, मेरे तो
हाँ,
बचपन से बताया गया लाइक स्कूल से आओ लंच करो एंड जस्ट मम्मी तो ऐसे
गलत बात.
जान के आई नेवर यूज्ड टू स्लीप इन द आफ्टरनून. मैं बड़ा वैसे टाइप का बच्चा था क्योंकि शाम को खेलने जाना है एंड आई डोंट नो. मम्मी यूज्ड टू मेक मी स्लीप इन द आफ्टरनून के डूड चिल आउट तो रात को फिर जल्दी सो जाएगा.
वही तो.
इट्स
वही
समथिंग
तो.
लाइक दिस. हाँ, तो हाँ, कंटिन्यू कीप गोइंग. हाँ, कि दोपहर को नहीं सोना चाहिए. करेक्ट.
That's not that's not necessary. तेरे को नींद नहीं आ रही तो क्यों सोएगा?
नहीं सो बट वो
Only when like body wants something, like people say कि body wants something, it will give you a signal. So my body won't sleep all the time.
Right. नहीं बट ये देख ना वैसे लाइक इफ आई लाइक ड्यूरिंग मतलब मेरा तो ऐसे होता था एग्जाम्स के टाइम जब भी पढ़ने का टाइम होता था ना आई यूज टू फील स्लीपी. ठीक है. एंड देयर वर डेज के पूरा दिन ही नींद आती थी. नॉट नेसेसरीली एग्जाम टाइम्स बट देर आर डेज ना व्हेन यू फील लाइक स्लीपी ऑल द टाइम. ठीक है. वो उस टाइम पे हमारी बायो मैम भी कहती थी कि यू आर ईटिंग लाइक बैड लाइक क्या कार्बोहाइड्रेट का ज़्यादा खाना एंड नॉट प्रोटीन रिच फूड. ठीक है. तो उस टाइम से आई स्टार्टेड नोटिसिंग कि हाँ मे बी देर इज समथिंग बिकॉज आई चेंज माई डाइट आफ्टर दैट. लाइक थोड़े अंडे वंडे खाने शुरू कर दिए मैंने. आई कि मैंने वो मैगी कम कर दी थोड़ी थोड़ी. ठीक है. मैगी तब भी खाई. तो बट हाँ कीप गोइंग. हाउ डज इट इफेक्ट और हाउ डज इट मेक इट स्लीप एंड
So
ऑल.
basically, that what your bio teacher did say is also very correct. Again, I will come to that sleep after meal ka aspect later because that is a different topic. But feeling sleepy all the time is because of your food. Mostly, why do I feel tired and sleepy and I have no will to do anything all the time? Most people ask this question. Try with changing again. बहुत लोग आ जाएंगे depression and that is not and I like that is different. I am saying what I've tried and that is different. Please go to a mental health counselor or whatever. So
Check out the
disclaimer
psychology podcast, episode 4, season 1. uh, I'll keep plugging in the different podcasts जो काम के.
अभी ताकि कितने टाइम स्टैम्प्स आते हैं टाइम स्टैम्प्स आ जाएंगे.
हाँ, साइड पे आ जाए. Check out the psychology podcast if you have some mental health issues. हाँ, keep going.
Yeah. So
Why do
basically,
we?
tamas nature is because of your mainly if you feel tired and you don't know why, try changing your food habits. Try reading about these three things and try incorporating them into your life. So basically, you also said one thing कि मेरे को पूरे टाइम खाना खाते समय नींद आती रहती थी. मेरे को भी आती थी. आई हेट वही 12th में तो बहुत नींद आई है. बहुत बीच में बुक पे सो जाते हैं ऑब्वियसली.
Correct.
Mostly, I noticed in college that when I started eating purely sattvic and rajasic foods, I don't feel sleepy. At time I used to sleep for 3 hours or 2 hours, and I used to be okay with it. People say 3 hours, 2 hours, that is detrimental to the body, ये वो. But if I am up, उसमें क्या problem है?
Correct. So, but that's what I used to do, but like not because diet change and all. Because I think what you're saying is very, clean. मैं
हाँ.
कॉफी बहुत पीता था, तो उस वजह से I used to make
I
myself.
also still drink coffee a lot.
Yeah.
Like I
अच्छा हाँ,
have
what is
that
coffee? Is it like sattvic
coffee
and all?
Rajasic.
Okay.
Coffee is part like no food is purely sattvic or rajasic, but
Hmm.
it's tamasic. Some people say it's tamasic. Some people say it's rajasic.
What about
So
chai?
like
I'm drinking chai at what 11:50 right now. The chai is more of Ayurveda part of it, right? Because pattiyan, I don't know, but I would like to
but see,
promote chai.
it is a stimulant. So all stimulants do come under Rajasic nature. But excess of anything, rose
Hmm.
chai pina is tamasic. So basically, it's
रोज
tamasic.
एक एक कप
हाँ.
चाय तू भी ताम से हट यार आई
नहीं,
बट
रोज
आई
तो थोड़ी पी सकता है. Again, you notice कर like removing chai. Again, these things can be noticed on their own. Remove chai for a few days. Totally avoid it, and then notice the body does it. Like I drink coffee maybe once in 3 days. I do drink. बट बिकॉज समटाइम्स आई वांट बट ये नहीं कि मेरी रोज की हैबिट बन गई. अगर हैबिट बन गई है तो फिर तामसिक बन जाता
करेक्ट
है. इफ यू
हैबिट
वांट
नहीं
टू स्टे अवे चाय
मन
से
करता है
तो पी सकता है.
मैं नहीं मेरा तो मेरे को आई रिमूव चाय कंप्लीटली द पास्ट मंथ आई हैव बीन लाइक डाइटिंग लाइक प्रॉपर ठीक है थोड़ा वेट लॉस
हाँ.
एंड ऑल तो उसमें आई रिमूव चाय कंप्लीटली ठीक है आई स्टार्टेड ड्रिंकिंग मिल्क एवरी डे ठीक है बिकॉज मैं मिल्क बचपन में बिल्कुल पिया नहीं दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट हैव मसल और
बात
हाइट
है.
एंड मिल्क इज ओके
हाँ.
लाइक स्टफ लाइक गुड
सात्विक
स्टफ
इन
लाइक
नेचर.
सात्विक राइट
Milk is like the pure, like, let me also explain the biology of milk and honey. Milk and honey are very good things. I've totally cut off white sugar because it is the worst thing you can eat. I think all dietitians say
हाँ
white
sugar
sugar
is
is
like
toxic.
cocaine भाई apparently it's worse than
Sugar is
cocaine it's
cocaine. Yes,
yeah yeah
it's worse
हाँ
than.
हाँ
I just cut white sugar, but I have replaced it with honey. Let me also look at how the biology of honey and milk. Milk is made for, although our bodies are not made to digest milk, but we have developed a gene to digest milk over time. Because
अच्छा
dearth of resources of our ancestors, early man. तो हमें लगा cow है, milk मिल रहा है, we will use it to our advantage. It has all the nutrients, but milk is made only because when a baby is born, it is not able to, its digestive system is not evolved, grown enough to digest normal food like us. So
correct
that is why I've given milk in a very easily digestible form. But it is too light on the stomach. So that's why more lactose intolerance is a very common thing. Most of the people don't have that gene to digest baby's milk. So we are not like we are not supposed to be drinking milk, but we've developed the immunity over time. Right.
बट लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस
Also
इज
about
इजंट इट लाइक मिल्क से ज़्यादा सिंपल कुछ है नहीं तो हाउ लाइक हाउ डू पीपल मेरे को तो पहले तो स्टार्टिंग में आई फेल्ट कि पीपल आर वेरी प्रिटेंशियस ठीक है कि लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस क्या होता है भाई दूध ही तो है पी लो इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटेंशियस
it's
बीमारी
just a
भाई
mind thing, dude. Get over it.
Yeah, I never could किया भाई
Just
आइसक्रीम
tolerate
नहीं खा
it.
सकते ये जस्ट टॉलरेटेड lactose intolerant just tolerated भाई like that's a real thing like I've come to terms with it कि आइसक्रीम नहीं खा सकते दही नहीं खा सकते पनीर नहीं खा सकते क्यों क्योंकि भाई नहीं गैस हो जाती है पेट में लाइक गैस नॉर्मल होता है मेरे को तो हर तरह की पेट की बीमारी होती है भाई एवरी वीक इट्स लाइक अ थिंग विद मी भाई कि कभी कुछ लूज मोशन हो गया कभी कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो गया कभी कुछ हो गया तो आई एम यूज टू ऑल ठीक है इनडाइजेशन इतना इतना होता है ना वो जो जलता है ऐसे यहाँ पे इट्स लाइक एसिडिटी दैट्स सच अ कॉमन दैट्स लाइक एवरी डे फॉर मी ठीक है इतने पराठे चेपे बटर के साथ मैंने इट्स लाइक सेकंड लाइक पीपल लाइक मेरे
अनफॉर्चुनेटली इसीलिए होता है बट
वही ना इट्स लाइक बट जस्ट टॉलरेट इट ब्रो ठीक है पूरा दिन ऐसे लाइक अनकंफर्टेबल रहेगा बट नाउ आई हैव चेंज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट द होल थिंग ग्रोइंग
yes,
अप
you have.
दैट्स मैच्योरिंग हाँ बट या कीप गोइंग सॉरी मैं थोड़ा रैंट कर दिया
सही हो तो अपने पर्सनल इश्यूज टॉक टॉक कर सकते हैं ताकि ऑडियंस रिलेट कर पाए ना.
हाँ करेक्ट
तो
करेक्ट
also I was talking about why milk is sattvic in nature. Milk is very good thing to drink. If you're not lactose intolerant, you can have occasionally milk. Please, accordingly, please everything, if possible, try to research it according to an Ayurveda way. Because milk, क्या बोलते हैं? You should not drink, have curd or lassi at night. These
या
are
मेरी मॉम
different
भी
types
होती
of milk.
है
हाँ. और पहले मेरी मॉम बोलते थे क्या बकवास है, कुछ भी बोल रहे हो, मतलब
ये
कुछ भी
लाइक
बोल
रात
रहे
को
हो.
कि क्या फर्क पड़ता है सुबह खा रहा रात को
हाँ,
खा रहा
रात
खा
को और सुबह
या
में फर्क क्या है?
या
ठीक है.
एग्जैक्टली
But like बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क है. If you eat certain foods at night, they will cause a lot of pain.
Mm-hmm.
And I
Why
have
is that?
noticed this
वैसे
myself.
नहीं but like I have seen कि
Because
people
yeah,
you're not supposed to have
uh,
heavy dinners because रात
yes,
को you're not
so
exercising and using calories so that food like energy gets stored and all कि fat बन
no,
जाता है something like that.
that is not the reason. I think it's because like during the day, I have understood this from a very early man point of view.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, as primary. So
Mm-hmm.
what we used to do is hunt during the day and sleep at night.
Correct.
So during the day, our digestive enzymes are very active because we used to hunt and eat on site. This is what my explanation is.
Mm-hmm.
And if you notice, whenever you eat a very heavy meal at night, तुम्हें पूरी रात bloating रहेगी and digestion. So basically, it's like so what like not Ayurveda. I'm not talking in terms of Ayurveda, but pure allopathy also says that digestive enzymes, as the sun, and Ayurveda says that as the sun rises, and when it
Mm-hmm.
is at the top point in the sky, afternoon mein, around 12 to 1 k time, that is the best time to have a meal because then your digestive enzymes are most active.
Mm-hmm.
The digestion enzymes are called Agni in Ayurveda. So that is
Agni.
when your Agni is very active. Yeah, 8 ki
Mm-hmm.
Agni. And when as the sun goes down, evening raat tak, your digestive enzymes are not active.
Mm-hmm.
Because I think it has to do with vitamin D. Again, it's not been fully researched, but it is a total real thing.
Mm-hmm.
That is why पेट की अग्नि सबसे क्या that's why they say if you heard this phrase eat breakfast like a king
Ah,
dinner
yeah. Mm-hmm.
हाँ like but eat breakfast like a king does not mean you eat a lot.
Correct.
If
It's
they
like
eat breakfast like a king, that means be very choosy with your breakfast because the sun has not risen to the maximum like highest height पे नहीं है सबसे
mm-hmm.
peak पे नहीं है sun. So
Mm-hmm.
eat breakfast very choosy and have very nutritional things in breakfast. Don't
Mm-hmm.
have a lot. But they say
So
eat a
break
lot in
नहीं
lunch.
but eggs and breakfast are like a very वो thing के breakfast and eggs and all but you are vegetarian now right vegan I don't know
No, no, I also have a story behind this. I am not vegetarian anymore. I've been vegetarian for 1 year, but I'm not vegetarian anymore. I'm back to being a non-vegetarian.
अच्छा
I have a
मतलब
story behind why. I explained how sattvic, rajasic, and tamasic foods are there, right?
हम्म
So I thought that, again, people will say that how that you're not being vegetarian or non-vegetarian because of environmental concerns, or people mostly turn vegan because of environmental concerns, right?
right
So veganism is a very bad thing. I don't support
what is
veganism.
the difference like let's just talk about vegetarianism versus veganism
हाँ,
because I never really like knew the difference क्या क्या फर्क होता है vegetarian और veganism में
vegetarianism is to eat milk products, like animal derived products like milk and honey.
तो कुछ भी नहीं
Vegetarian,
मतलब फिर तो क्या दाल खाते हो
vegan
बस
means नहीं. Vegan means just the nuts, fruits, vegetables, dal,
damn
pulses,
yeah, but apparently it's very healthy. Like I've like seen a couple of people who are like
all.
vegan. But
I have another explanation for this. In India, the thing is, why have we banned? I have understood why we have banned beef in India. It
correct,
is because like mostly what is done in India, cows are sacred. So
sacred.
what is done whenever a cow gives birth to a calf, mammary glands or what are active. So
Mm-hmm.
what is done is पहले calf को because it's sacred calf को सबसे पहले they give the milk.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly it's done that way in India.
Mm-hmm.
Again, some people from PETA will agree that ऐसा नहीं होता है. Might not happen, but Indian milk is called A1 milk, and all milk in other countries is A2 milk. It misses a certain
What's the
enzyme
difference
from
क्या? अच्छा इंडिया में
Indian
अच्छा अलग
A2
होता है.
milk.
Mm-hmm.
इंडिया में A2 milk. I'm not sure. Google कर लेना. It's A1 or
Mm-hmm.
A2 in India, and
Mm-hmm.
the other one in all other countries.
Mm-hmm.
It is because that cows in India are treated with so much love and affection, and they are not filled with, induced with drugs and whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So they give purest milk. And what is milk? Ultimately, it's like uh, a mother's food to a child, given in the
Whatever. I
most.
like that's not really thought about it.
It is
uh,
a mother nourish the
correct.
child, is meant for the
Mm-hmm.
calf.
Mm-hmm.
Given in the most lovable way. I also talk about honey in the same way.
Mm-hmm.
It is given in the most lovable way. I think you can say that again, it's not science backed up, so please, everyone, please keep an open mind whenever you are watching this.
Mm-hmm.
But the more milk you drink, It is sattvic in nature, so it will make you calmer and will induce uh, more love towards nature or love towards life in general for you.
The life
Milk,
energy thing.
हाँ,
Hmm.
life energy
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
also. Milk is a life-inducing food. Why? Basically, like what powers us, right? Like an electrical energy powers a robot, a certain life energy powers us.
Hmm, hmm.
तो वो लाइफ एनर्जी कौन से फूड से मिलती है विच हैव लाइफ एंड
And
डेड
it
फूड
has,
से नहीं मिलती. That
oh,
is
तो
why
नॉनवेज
good
से नहीं मिलती
food
होगी.
that we eat. Yes,
Hmm.
non-veg will help you build protein, muscle, whatever.
Hmm, hmm.
ठीक है, but it is helping you build your body. But एक certain energy होती है, life energy, brain energy. उसको कहते हैं कुंडलिनी. It's called life force energy, कुंडलिनी in Ayurveda or spirituality. So that kundalini is also creative energy. So that can be traveled, like transformed into creative energy in the brain if you know
Hmm,
how to do it. Which
hmm,
again, it can be done through meditation. Lots
hmm,
of ways.
hmm, hmm.
Just Google. I just ask all viewers to Google Kundalini meditation and all chakra meditation.
Kundalini. Yeah, okay. Check
Yeah.
out the Kundalini meditation and Chakra meditation.
मैं बोल दूँ.
हाँ तू बोल मैं के हाँ. हम्म,
Like it can be, you can, I can see that food can bring you in any state of mind. If you want creative,
हम्म,
तुम creative हो सकते हो. You think I am not a creative person, food can help you be creative if you eat the right food.
हम्म.
I will come. I have spoken about sattva, rajas, and tamas, right? Also, according to you should. There is also another thing in Ayurveda called body type. I look at you. I think your body type is pith because you did in like there are three body types,
What is
or you
pith?
can say, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. It's complicated. I'll explain. Basically,
हम्म,
there are three types of body types. One is
हम्म,
Vat. They're called doshas. Like you have a predominant dosha. Mostly people will say try to balance all these three so that like your body is in the perfect optimal state. But
हम्म,
कुछ लोगों का थोड़ा हमारा आउट ऑफ बैलेंस होता है in general.
हम्म,
So there is one Vat dosha, Pith dosha, and Kaph dosha.
हम्म.
Vata dosha is mainly individuals who you see mostly, I'm saying not all the time, but mostly एकदम पतले होते हैं.
अच्छा.
I think like people who you see who have a very thin frame, like people who are very thin in nature are mostly Vata dosha.
अबे देयर सम
Uh,
पीपल आल्सो ना कि जो आर दीस दो सेम पीपल जो
aggressive,
बहुत खाते हैं और बिल्कुल मोटे नहीं होते समथिंग. हाँ हाँ.
mainly mostly Vata dosha,
ब्लेस्ड पीपल मैन.
right? Yeah. And if you look at, then I think your Pitta dosha, which is like can gain weight easily, but it can also lose weight easily.
या.
Mostly muscular, mostly muscular frame, mostly like the Punjabi person
या.
described.
अबे द थिंग इज कि आई वाज यस्टरडे आई वाज टॉकिंग टू माय डैड. ठीक है तो आई अभी खुदा की उस मेहर से 2 एब्स आ गई मेरी. ठीक है सो माय बॉडी थोड़ा सा फ्लैट ऊपर से बट नीचे देयर इज बेली फैट का एक लेयर. ठीक है तो मैं डैड को कह रहा हूँ
हाँ है.
पापा ये इसका क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं. वो रहेगा
हाँ.
बेटा वो तो रहेगा वो हमारे परिवार का ट्रेडमार्क है वो नहीं जाएगा. तू कुछ भी कर ले वो नहीं जानेगा. तो दैट्स लाइक वो हाँ दैट्स माय बॉडी टाइप. ठीक है दैट्स अ पंजाबी बॉडी टाइप. पिथ
Yeah.
पिथ समथिंग
Yeah.
क्या पिथ दोषा.
Pitta, Pitta dosha.
हम्म,
Mostly like it is associated with fire. Mostly Pitta people have like a lot of passion to do something in life. Mostly
okay.
very passionate people.
हम्म.
मेरे को लग रहा है तू पिता है. तू दोषा टेस्ट किया है
सब्सक्राइब.
ना? You take दोषा
हम्म,
टेस्ट online.
हम्म.
So according to your body type,
There's a
Ayurveda
dosha
also tells
test
you.
also कि तेरा body.
हाँ.
अच्छा damn. This is
हाँ.
advanced क्या आयुर्वेदा.
Yeah.
एडवांस आयुर्वेदा. क्या ऑनलाइन होते हैं वेबसाइट्स होती हैं इनकी दोषा टेस्ट
तो सर्च कर दोषा टेस्ट.
डॉट. दैट्स अ रियल थिंग
देखो
मेरे को
वेबसाइट
नहीं
का नाम है, वेबसाइट आ जाएगी.
पता. डैम यार दिस इज गुड. हाँ हाँ कीप गोइंग. व्हाट एल्स पिथ के बाद.
And then पित्त के बाद कफ दोषा. Mostly people, and you must have noticed that you don't really like, मतलब you're used to summer अगर तू दिल्ली में रह रहा है, but you don't like summer season. You prefer winter season
आई डू.
bit more. बस I guess
मैन ही
just
नोज
like
एवरीथिंग व्हाट इज दिस. हाँ हाँ.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And then there is kaf dosha.
Hmm.
Mostly it is difficult for kaf dosha people to lose weight.
Okay.
And they are more stagnant energy and they are more calm in nature. They love the winter season.
कुछ फैट ज़्यादा होता है बॉडी पे. आई डोंट नो. आई एम जस्ट अज्यूमिंग कि फैट
I
से
listen, I
गर्म
don't,
रहते
I
होंगे.
have never seen that.
Yeah,
Being
trying to
kaf
relate.
dosha is not a bad thing.
हम्म।
Mostly, our aim is to balance all three doshas like similar, equal होने चाहिए.
Not too
So,
patla,
like
not
I
too mota,
said,
something like that.
हाँ, mainly like every dosha का nature तुम्हें होना चाहिए.
Mhm.
Predominant होता है, but like mostly try to balance. So every food, like it is Rajasic, Tamasic, or Sattvic in nature, it is also dosha inducing in nature. Like some will aggravate the Pitta dosha, some will aggregate Vata dosha, and some will aggregate Kapha dosha. So basically, if you take a dosha test and you realize that you're too dominant in a dosha, वो तुम्हें दिखाएगा तुम्हारी dominancy कितनी है in a particular dosha.
Dosha test, man.
Okay.
This is
Let's say कि
amazing.
you may not be able to lose weight very quickly. तुम्हारा weight के बहुत problems है.
हम्म।
Then you might be very high in kapha dosha. You're
ओके।
also
अच्छा,
kapha
उसमें
dosha.
भी
एक बार
लेवल्स, सब लेवल्स हैं लाइक दोषा
हाँ
के अंदर भी, कि यू लाइक सुपर कफ दोषा और सुपर पित्त दोषा और समथिंग लाइक
वही. You might be too dominant. Like you may be vata pitta और kapha
दैट।
dosh. Oh, sorry, kapha pitta और dosha test ले लेना.
ले
So,
लेना। चेक फॉर योरसेल्फ। सही बात है। हम्म।
but once you notice that if you eat very Ayurvedic, then food will बता देगा which food is best for you. Like let's say, are you allergic to some food?
आई एम इन नो, आई एम नॉट। मेरे को बस केला खाने से पेट दर्द होता है कभी कभी, बट वो मैं बस इसलिए, मेरे को केला पसंद नहीं आता, मैं
केला
मॉम
रात
को
को
बोलता हूँ
खाते
कि
तो पेट दर्द होता है.
हाँ।
केला रात को खाते तो पेट दर्द होता है.
हाँ, हाँ, वो मेरी, हाँ, मेरी मॉम ने भी कहा कि रात को नहीं खाना चाहिए केला, इट्स
Shit,
लाइक अ
I'm
थिंग।
becoming a monk.
हाँ, नहीं, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि हाउ डज़ वो क्रीपी,
हाँ,
बट
yeah.
नहीं, बट नहीं, केला वैसे मेरे को इन जनरल पसंद भी नहीं। अच्छा, आई डोंट लाइक मीठा फूड, ठीक है? आई डोंट नो, लाइक
Yes.
आई एम वेरी लाइक, आई लव जंक फूड एंड ऑल, बट आई कैन नॉट लाइक कि आइसक्रीम एंड चॉकलेट एंड ऑल, पीपल लाइक इट, मेरे को ठीक लगता है, ऐसा नहीं कि आई हेट इट, बट आई डोंट ईट इट अ लॉट, ठीक है? कि एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट केप्ट मी फ्रॉम बीइंग ओबीस इन लाइफ, ठीक है? इतना जंक फूड खा के भी मैं अगर एकदम ऐसे कद्दू नहीं हुआ, इज जस्ट बिकॉज कि मैंने ये एकदम ऐसे ये अनहेल्दी चीज लाइक केक एंड आइसक्रीम एंड एवरीथिंग, आई जस्ट डोंट लाइक इट, आई डोंट लाइक स्पेंडिंग मनी ऑन इट ऑल्सो। इससे अच्छा मोमोज की एक प्लेट खा लो, ठीक
Good.
है?
That's a good thing. It
मतलब
depends on your dosha also. Like your pit dosha, so mostly you like spicy and
हाँ, या
hot
आई डू
chutney, like
चटपटा
Delhi
फूड,
food.
ये दिल्ली फूड,
हाँ,
नॉट
yeah,
गुजरात फूड,
yeah.
बट
But that's also bad thing
हाउ, हाँ, मतलब
because you
ऑब्वियसली
don't.
कुछ भी ज्यादा
हाँ,
विल बी अ बैड थिंग।
yeah, because you mostly get angry. You have no patience. But I am
करेक्ट।
not calling you out.
नहीं, नहीं, बट सही है।
Yeah, I'm saying that all of that can be controlled with food. You will notice getting more patient with food. Why I started the story of why I started non-vegetarian food back, because I left vegetarian food for a year. It's because I lacked passion. I thought
अच्छा।
my food was too sattvic
हम्म।
or either tamasic. So like I like either eating junk foods for 1 week, then I used to eat only fruits and like just pure foods for a week. So then I thought I needed passion inducing food in life क्योंकि पढ़ाई करनी है बहुत कुछ चीजें
पर
करनी. So that's why people will say, "Oh, you're not true to nature." Or
नहीं,
whatever.
बट इज इट ऑल्सो लाइक, मेरे को तो वैसे ही, मेरे को ऐसे लाइक आई डोंट लाइक, मैं आई हैव एन ओपन माइंड एंड ऑल, बट आई स्टिल फील कि कि योर पर्सनालिटी इज योर पर्सनालिटी। अब लाइक व्हाट यू सेइंग इज माय लाइक, ऑब्वियसली इतना रिसर्च हुआ इसके पीछे, इतने लोगों ने किया, तो कुछ तो होगा ही, बट स्टफ लाइक हैविंग पैशन इन लाइफ, आई डोंट थिंक इतना भी ज़्यादा डिपेंड करता होगा खाने पे, इंस्टेड ऑफ
इतना ज्यादा डिपेंड नहीं करता. बट
मतलब।
मोस्टली पीपल विल से कि आई यूज्ड टू बी पैशनेट बट आई लॉस्ट इट. और देखो, इफ यू आर ओके विद द वे यू आर तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट इफ
करेक्ट।
यू से आई लैक पैशन, बट एट द सेम टाइम you just don't have the will to get out of bed, then I will say that start trying and start eating the foods that you want.
हाँ, लाइक ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज़ अगर तुम इफ यू हैड समथिंग एंड अब नहीं है, तो वो तो तुम्हारी हैबिट्स की वजह से हैबिट खराब हो गई है,
हाँ,
तुम, या समथिंग लाइक
वही.
दैट। नहीं, बट जैसे लाइक लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, मेरे को तो लाइक आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल आउट, वन नॉट बाय नेम्स, बट ये पीपल के ब्लेम देयर शिटी बिहेवियर ऑन देयर हॉरोस्कोप्स एंड शिट, कि भाई आई एम दिस, ये इसके महीना है जो भी है, एंड दे डोंट
हाँ,
लाइक वो, आई डोंट रियली बिलीव ऑल दिस के कि they just put their behavior on something that is no
yeah.
not real or not visible, ठीक है? कि
They don't take accountability for their own like
yeah,
behavior.
taking accountability would be कि हाँ, मतलब own up to your वो thing कि you may be not passionate, और लाइफ में कुछ करो, तुम खुद ही हार्डो करो वो सब, बट
Very good
हाँ।
thing कि मतलब again you're talking about like horoscopes and stuff, right?
हम्म.
Obviously, I don't read horoscopes, and I mean, कभी कभी पढ़ लेता है.
It's like it's
But
something
I
like कि
think
अच्छा अच्छी चीज लिखी है तो हम मान
uh,
लेंगे ठीक है you will
that
have
you
a good
can't
day
get,
today. हम्म.
but like it does hold some logic. That's a conversation for a different. Like let me say कि like you've seen your parents fast during Navratri. Let us talk about Ramzan and Navratri fast.
Correct. हम्म.
And सारे religions, almost all religions, I don't know about Christianity, but most religions, Jainism, Buddhism, promote fasting.
हम्म.
And if people say that fasting is so unhealthy, why are all religions promoting fasting? There must be some logic behind it.
हम्म.
Mostly, if you look at like again, these things are not backed by science. I always say yet they're not backed by science yet because we don't know enough science to back them up. हम
Correct.
खुद ही research कर रहे हैं.
हम्म.
So, mostly during Navratri time, it is possible that the moon's influence on the earth is so high and it is in a certain position that we don't know. It will like naturally reduce your hunger. So I was that kind of a person who would say I will never fast on Navratri और मतलब मैं non-veg खाऊंगा. I don't care.
हम्म.
मेरे parents को ऐसा करने दो. But now that I started like not eating and like
चाटा बड़ा.
being very conscious,
अच्छा.
नहीं चाटा नहीं पड़ता था मैं पहले से just do whatever you want.
अच्छा. अच्छा.
But अब मैं खुद ही नहीं करता.
हम्म.
I did this नवरात्रे I used to fast a lot.
हम्म.
And I noticed that I had high energy all the time because I
हम्म.
was not eating food. I had high energy
हम्म.
and I used to feel great. And when I used to eat something, it used to feel very heavy on the stomach. So again, only during this Navratra phase. And after the Navratra phase got over, I was okay. I was back to eating
What
again.
what's the logic कि मून पास में है, उससे भूख नहीं लगती? Is it something like that?
It is like I am not particularly fully sure about the logic. Again, people should not fast on their own कि कुछ भी नहीं खा रहे. Please
हम्म.
read about it and consult someone before you do it.
हम्म.
But you're not like mostly like I'll tell you one thing. If the moon can influence tides, it
Correct.
can influence our nature and body in some way. High tide, low tide, influence कर सकता है.
हम्म.
So that is mainly the logic. Like mostly because I meditate a lot, so I have this ability. I'm not flexing or anything, but I mostly when I meditate, I can even without looking outside, I can tell whether today is a full moon or not.
Wow, man. Is it like,
Yeah,
do you know? Oh, wow. Okay, cool. How
like
do you
I
know
am
that?
very meditative nature, very high. Like मेरे दिमाग एकदम ऐसे ऊपर लिफ्ट हो जाता है and I know I'm not able to sleep on a full moon.
Mhm.
बहुत मुश्किल से मेरे को नींद आती है. And then I can look outside and
Damn,
tell me it's a full moon. So
damn,
like
damn, damn.
you
Mhm.
will when you get very sensitive towards your body, abhi because we are eating crap, we are
Hmm.
not sensitive about how our body feels. हम कुछ भी खाते हैं वो digest हो जाते हैं बाहर निकल जाते हैं.
बाहर निकलना,
But
correct.
when you get very sensitive, at the same time you get sensitive towards what you eat, you will also get sensitive towards your emotions. When you eat something, you know कि मैंने ये खाया है, इसके बाद मेरे को full concentration है. Like I hate engineering subjects. I love CS. So I
Hmm.
don't want to sit down and study chemistry
बट
in my
करना पड़ा.
first year.
सेम ब्रो.
करना पड़ता
एक्चुअली ईडी
है तो
इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग क्यों करते हैं यार? मेरे को समझ नहीं आता. हम लोग
इंजीनियरिंग
सीएस
ड्राइंग
वाले
क्यों करते हो?
क्यों करते हैं
कुछ
भाई?
जरूरत नहीं
कुछ
है,
उसमें भी
बकवास
लेटरिंग.
इंजीनियरिंग सिस्टम है.
It's just the stupidest
तो
subject. Like हाँ कि we'll just come back. हाँ because
वो
डिस करने
ये
लग
कम
जाएंगे
बैक
इंजीनियरिंग को. सीधा इंजीनियरिंग को डिस करने लग जाएंगे. Everybody is sick
करते.
of it. हम्म.
But like when I eat certain food, I sit
हम्म.
down to study engineering drawing. I can't study it. I don't know why, but मेरे अंदर like मेरे को नींद नहीं आती, मेरे को concentration full है. And पहले
हम्म.
I used to study anything in 12th,
हम्म.
नींद आते रहती.
Correct.
Basically, and the only thing I've changed is my lifestyle choices because meditate तो मैं तब भी करता था, अभी भी करता हूँ. My
हम्म.
food choice. Also, I've started eating less. And people will say, what? That is a bad thing.
हम्म.
But like leaving your stomach empty, I like let us discuss what do you think hunger is?
नहीं मेरे को लाइक डू यू मतलब मैंने अभी जो आई ऑल्सो रिड्यूस माई डाइट एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक थोड़ा कम किया है. बट आई गो बाय द नंबर्स के मतलब आई फीड इन माई फोन की कैलोरी कितना है and वो सब ठीक है.
मैं भी यही करता था.
हाँ.
myfitnesspal.com dude.
हाँ. हाँ नहीं बट नहीं वो लाइक डिड यू लाइक इज दैट अ गुड थिंग और डिड यू
It's a
लाइक
bad
जस्ट
thing.
कि दिमाग से कि जितना पेट भरा उतना ही खाना है लाइक समथिंग लाइक दैट और डिड यू. हाँ हाँ बोल.
पहले I used what I used to do was because someone had told me, so I interpreted it wrongly कि बहुत अच्छे से खाना खाओ, पेट भर के खा लो, and
Mhm.
eat healthy foods. But healthy food भी खाओ पेट भर के. I don't know why who told me this, but I don't remember. So I used
Mhm.
to eat a lot.
Mhm.
And also, मुझे one advice जो words और बेकार की वेबसाइट पे आती है कि eat small and frequent meals.
That is bullshit. वो तो मेरे को I don't
हाँ,
yeah, what the hell is that?
I
Even these dietitians also काफ़ी recommend all this के के eat small meals, 5-6 meals a day. What the fuck? That doesn't work by the way. ठीक है. I just if you sit बैठ खाने
yeah,
खाने बैठना है तो अच्छे से खाओ अगर खाना है तो. It's just like
वही exactly. Mainly
हम्म
like Ayurveda says that eat 3 meals a day. Eat जो टाइम में भूख लगती है उस टाइम में अच्छे से खाओ. बट
हम्म
ये भी नहीं कि मन भर के खाओ, पेट भर के. लाइक तुम्हें
ओह
लगेगा, तुम्हें फील होगा that I want to have one more bite of this thing. But your
हम्म
stomach will already signal you that I'm not hungry. You
हम्म
should leave it at that.
correct
And that is why we come to the point of why do we feel sleepy after meals?
हम्म
After mainly Punjabi people. Sleep after meals.
yeah sleep after
Yeah.
अबे even
मेरी फैमिली सोती है.
अबे you have आलू के पराठे with मीठी लस्सी आई एम नॉट even kidding you will sleep ऐसे डब करके सो जाएगा तू ठीक है आलू के पराठे
Yes.
छोले भटूरे खा भाई तू ऐसी ही नींद आ जाती है ब्रो वो लाइक आई एम नॉट ब्रेकफास्ट में खा नींद आ
आप
जाएगी
little-
हाँ
वही तो.
it's like
So
I
that
don't
is,
know even
हाँ,
after buffets and all के you have like
हाँ,
so much food के like बेल्ट खोल के बुफे
exactly.
चेपरो पैसे पूरे करने हैं and then you come back home
हाँ.
and you just drop के भाई बहुत नींद it's I don't know हाँ क्या क्यों why do you feel so sleepy
Logic है. Logic of food is to give us energy, and मेरे को नींद आती है. That is so bullshit.
हम्म
The only time we should feel sleepy is at night. I'm not kidding.
हम्म
Sleepy or tired is at night because that is
हम्म
when we're supposed to sleep.
correct
So basically, like I have a I have studied the science behind this also. Basically, it's because we eat too much carbs in a meal. Mainly, इसकी
isn't carb
क्या
supposed
होता
to
है?
give you energy
Yes, but I'll let you know.
हम्म
Carbs, तू एक रोटी खाएगा. I
हम्म
mean, we like experiment this. If you
हम्म
eat one roti, you will not feel sleepy. Two rotis, you will not feel sleepy. When you eat three rotis in a meal, you will feel sleepy.
हम्म
Because, like, what I'll tell you why. Whenever we eat anything, be it carbs or anything, it has a certain sugar to it or energy to it. So our blood sugar levels raise.
हम्म
And what happens is we use insulin, like our pancreas release insulin to combat blood sugar.
हम्म
तो अगर हम दो रोटी खा रहे हैं और हमें दो रोटी की ही जरूरत है फॉर एनर्जी फॉर द नेक्स्ट आई डोंट नो 3 or 4 hours.
हम्म
तो उससे ज्यादा when we eat, that means there is excess sugar in our body.
correct
And what insulin does is stabilizes blood sugar to bring it to normal levels. क्योंकि हमने रोटी खाई हमारी ब्लड शुगर हाई हो जाती है. तो
हम्म
हमारी ब्लड शुगर यूजली 100 के आसपास नॉर्मल होती है. It will release pancreas will release so much insulin to bring blood sugar down to 100.
correct
And इसमें sometimes it over releases insulin, which
sugar
will
है
get your blood sugars low. क्योंकि हमने
अच्छा
कुछ ज्यादा ही कार्ब खा लिया to overcompensate for it, it will over release insulin.
हम्म
And because low blood sugar का symptom is sleep.
स्लीप या तो नींद
हाँ,
आती है
नींद आती है.
मेक
Basically,
सेंस
we are eating too many carbs. Yeah.
हाँ नहीं अच्छा you were talking about empty stomach and hunger what's the
हाँ.
yeah what's the difference
So like mainly Ayurveda says, again Ayurveda says a lot. So
हम्म
but it says whatever it says it's very beneficial. Empty stomach. Like let me ask you, do you exercise empty stomach or do you eat before exercising?
2 hours before exercise 2 2 hours
2 hours
हाँ
before exercise.
हम्म
Perfect. ताकि
हम्म
तब तक blood sugar levels stabilize हो जाएंगे.
हम्म
So if your blood sugar levels are stabilized, and blood sugar मतलब you have the energy, so why do you want to eat unnecessary? That is
हम्म
why कुछ ingest नहीं करना चाहिए. Like when you have the energy, what is hunger? Hunger is not an empty stomach. Hunger is when our energy levels are low.
हम्म
And an empty stomach is when your body is ready to take in food for your hunger.
okay
Let me explain. So we need
हम्म
to get our body in a way that our hunger time matches with our empty stomach time.
हम्म correct
अगर तूने कभी खाना खाया या let's say you've had a light food,
हम्म
तूने खिचड़ी खाई है in the afternoon. This is very light and
right
सात्विक, but again, so uh, if you had a very light food तो तेरे को जल्दी भूख लग जाएगी, भूख नहीं, तेरा पेट बहुत जल्दी खाली हो जाएगा,
हम्म
and you will think मेरा पेट खाली हो गया है, so I should eat something.
हम्म
मम्मी will say पेट खाली नहीं रखना है,
हाँ
पेट खाली भी कुछ खा ले. But
अब
that is
ओके
not so. That is
आई
not
आई
how it works.
हम्म
If you have the energy, why do you want to eat? You're defeating the purpose of food, and then food will defeat your purpose for you.
नहीं बट देख वैसे when you come down to the practical aspects of it ये तो like you follow all this and everything जैसे मैंने अभी वो किया अपना पूरा transition you know के from unhealthy to super healthy and all ठीक है first week it's also very psychological you know के your willpower के नहीं खानी भाई मैगी ठीक है just पकड़ के रख
हाँ.
let's just go through this
Starting with because you're addicted. It's like cooking.
yeah,
You're addicted to
exactly.
it.
You're addicted
हाँ.
to shit. ठीक है खाना is
हाँ.
that is bad food dude for your body ठीक है now I've realized it is shit ठीक है and उस टाइम पे डेली तुम्हें मैगी भी खानी है शाम को मोमोज खाने हैं दोस्तों के साथ फिर
हाँ.
कोक कोक वगैरह तो ऐसे ही तो यू जस्ट अज्यूम के कोक वगैरह है तो इज लाइक यू नो फैंटा कोक तो ऐसी ही है चिल है कोई उसमें तो कुछ है यू डोंट अकाउंट फॉर द यू नो दिस शिट इट्स डूइंग टू योर बॉडी ठीक है
Yes.
एंड द फर्स्ट वीक वाज द हार्डेस्ट डूड कि यू नो कि नहीं खानी मैगी ठीक है कि नहीं कि वो एक तो कप नूडल्स आल्सो सुपर इजी टू मेक डूड पानी गरम करो और बना
Yes.
लो कप
I
नूडल्स लाइक चीज नहीं खा लाइक चीज इज ओके यू लाइक वॉट एवर पीपल से बट मैं तो चीज के अंदर यू नो बटर चीज टोस्टेड सैंडविच एंड ऑल सो दैट वाज यू नो द साइकोलॉजिकल पार्ट वाज रियली हार्ड टू यू नो अभी तो मेरा चिल है ठीक है अभी मेरे को मन भी नहीं कर इवन इफ आई हैव मैगी आई फील बैड आफ्टर इट आई फील मेरा पेट दुखना शुरू हो जाता है कि अगर मैं ज्यादा लाइक गंदा खाना खा लूँ ना
हाँ.
it's
Very
I
sure.
don't know yeah what is it but अभी अब I can't go back like it was a habit पहले but now I have made it a habit to eat healthy ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बिल्कुल ही वो
You think it's psychological also, right? कि तुमने
right
बंद करी है. Like you convinced yourself internally.
mm-hmm,
That is partly true, but that partly also biological. Why you stop craving these foods as much as you used to crave then.
mm-hmm,
If you notice, कि first your willpower is strongest when you start.
correct
ठीक है, but not all the time. But तभी your craving is not as very strong when you start.
mm-hmm,
Craving willpower अलग है.
mm-hmm,
So basically, like foods like Maggi and plain sugar, white sugar is simple carbohydrate, simple sugar.
simple sugar
What it does is it will raise your blood sugars jaldi se, and it will give you instant energy.
mm-hmm,
So your mind and your hormones, basically like your hormones also are addicted to simple carbohydrates because they are simple energy giving food.
mm-hmm,
And
correct
because जैसे क्या होता है तो एनर्जी क्रैश होता है like you eat Maggi and then after 4 or 5 2 hours or so तुम्हें फिर से भूख लगेगी. You
हाँ
want to
लगती
eat something sweet and very
mm-hmm,
because like your brain is addicted to a very simple source of carbohydrates and मतलब बहुत ही instant energy.
mm-hmm,
Your stomach is not used to being empty and बहुत देर तक you have the energy and your stomach is empty at the same time ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं.
mm-hmm.
If you eat complex carbs like roti and
it takes time to
full wheat, like तुम्हें बहुत देर तक energy देंगे.
अभी बच्चा आई हैव आल्सो नोटिस के मतलब एक तो देयर आर इफ यू वॉच लाइक टीवी शोज एंड ऑल नो वो उसमें लोग खा रहे हैं तो तुम्हें भी बहुत मन करता है मतलब दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस ठीक है कि वो दे इंड्यूस दिस थिंग इवन लाइक इंस्टाग्राम पे यू आर सर्फिंग थ्रू स्टोरीज वो लोग पिज्जा की ऐसे फोटो डाल रहे हैं ऐसे चीज ऐसे निकल रहा है उसका यू फील लाइक कि ठीक है इस 12:30 बजे मेरे को भूख नहीं लगी मैं बेड पे लेट के लोगों की स्टोरी देख रहा हूँ बट सडनली
हाँ.
दे विल बी लाइक कि शिट अब मेरे को कुछ खाना है ठीक है तो यू
वो
आई
तुमको होता है.
yeah
हाँ.
that's also it's all psychological right it's inducing in
It's
your
psychology.
brain ke you
You have to
have to
convince yourself that I am full of energy. I don't need food abhi. So why
hmm
should I eat?
but
I-
that's this logic doesn't come up when you are literally ऐसे हाथ ऐसे craving जो होती है ना कि हाय I need to eat something you know need to do
when
something
you
to my
like,
body
like when you eat like एकदम habit बहुत time तक obviously it is very बहुत time तक habit बन जाएगी eating साथ में good foods
right hmm
like when you the thing is that when you do start eating in a very good way बहुत prolonged time तक your body will I don't like what you're talking about I used to feel it
hmm
देख के food को now I don't care I don't like I have no attachment to food I eat it only for me to get energy अब
नहीं but I
दूसरी
don't think that would be possible for me ठीक है there is something about food के I like ठीक है if there is
yes
something there is some foodgasm thing that's real with me. ठीक है कि if I have like अभी एक तो मैंने what I did to एक तो विल पावर तो है नहीं मेरे में, ठीक है, मैं जोमेटो खोलते ही मंगा लूंगा. सो आई रिमूव माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम दैट इन्वायरमेंट. ठीक है, दिल्ली से उठ के मैं इधर आ गया. ठीक है, वेरी रिमोट प्लेस, कुछ जोमेटो नहीं, कोई रेस्टोरेंट नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, कोविड में सब बंद पड़ा है. आई एम लिटरली आइसोलेटेड. ठीक है, खाना आता है, इट्स प्लेन फूड.
कैसे
एंड
आते हैं?
हाँ, हाँ, मेस से आता है बेसिकली खाना. ठीक है, तो इट्स नॉट रियली एनीथिंग. मतलब मैंने तो विल पावर, आई डिडंट नो, आई कुडंट ट्रस्ट माई सेल्फ, तो मैं उठा के अपने को इन्वायरमेंट ही चेंज कर दिया मैंने. बट आई whenever I eat something like momos, ठीक है, इतने 2-3 हफ्ते बाद, it gives me I'm not talking वैसे उस हिसाब से कि एनर्जी वाइज, बट लाइक जो मुंह में ऐसा
गुड
टेस्ट
थिंग।
आता है ना, फील गुड के शिट. ठीक है, आई डोंट थिंक any sattvic food I per se could replace that
Yes,
for me.
yes, yes. It is true, man. These foods are made to be addictive.
Yeah,
So like once you start, you cannot stop. But once you
that's
like totally stop, again, it is very pointless of me explaining because you are addicted.
I'm addicted. I'm like
I cannot just eat
I have
food.
reformed अभी 1 महीने, अभी 1 ही महीना हुआ है for me to I have changed थोड़ा सा अपना habit. I'm still knee deep in that shit. Okay, अभी तो it will take time for me to reach your level. कि
You have
attachment
to
in
be.
food से.
But like, if you like what I've been doing, मैं बहुत टाइम से I've been eating like very consciously. Obviously मेरी starting में बहुत will power लगी थी. I cannot live without Maggie.
Correct.
Like I love Maggie,
That's a fact.
but now I hate Maggie because I just eat it and I feel like shit. I'm like इतना shit feel होता है. पहले like I used to be in this shitty state all the time, so it was used to be normal for me. But now that I'm in this very alert and state, very energetic and concentrated, so I don't even feel it because I
But
don't. I know कि खा के को गंदा लगेगा because my body is so sensitive now. I can
अबे
when you
most
do start when you make it a habit eating ayurvedically and very consciously, तो फिर नहीं craving नहीं होगी. Then you will
most
say this is good.
most people eat consciously or choose to eat consciously when they're trying to lose weight. ठीक है, and
But that is
what are like क्या ways to lose weight if you want to के through this Ayurveda and healthy meal stuff, how do you uh,
so
propose?
recently like I did lose some weight. I lost because I was trying out diets, not because I wanted to lose weight, but because I wanted to increase my concentration. But I also lost weight in the process.
Hmm.
So like you mentioned, I remember you just mentioned about Punjabi belly,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
I used to have that problem. Abhi tak.
Mhm. Mhm.
I was like the last podcast I recorded with you. Uh, I was at a relatively high weight. I lost at least 4 or 5 kilos still since then.
Mhm.
And because I started eating Ayurvedically, and because I used to eat that small frequent meals a day, I used to eat 6, 7 meals a day. I was just used to eating.
Mhm.
अगर उसमें
Correct.
खा नहीं रहा तो कुछ गलत करो. पेट भरा नहीं हुआ मेरा तो कुछ गलत बात, बिकॉज मम्मी भी कहती है पेट नहीं भरा होता है.
पेट नहीं हो रहा. हाँ,
बट
एक तो मम्मी
जब
लोग की
मेरा
आदत
स्टमक
होती है कि बच्चों को ठुसवाना है खाना है कि ठुस. लाइक माय पेरेंट्स आर लाइक अभी अभी अब जाके आई लॉस्ट 8 kgs. ठीक है, दिस पास्ट मंथ. ठीक है, एंड आई वाज फैट. ठीक है, पहले ठीक है, लाइक अ मंथ अगो आई वाज सुपर फैट, लाइक पूरा
आई
2 दिन.
नोटिस
ठीक
आई
है,
नोटिस
थैंक यू गाइस. लाइक नहीं, बट हाँ, सो अभी मैं पहले भी माय दादी माय पेरेंट्स बोलते थे लाइक अभी तेरे को क्या जरूरत है वेट लूज करने की, तू तो ठीक है, तू तो ठीक है. आई वाज ओवर वेट अकॉर्डिंग टू माई BMI. ठीक है, बट नहीं, तेरे को क्या जरूरत है, आदमी टूथपिक लगने लग जाएगा वो सब. अभी मेरे को कहते कि आई
अभी बोलते
मतलब
होंगे.
हाँ, अभी 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 मेरी पैंट्स ढीली हो गई हैं, तो देर लाइक अरे क्या कार्टून लग रहा है तो, और इधर पंजाबी स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ वो नहीं है अब मेरा बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर, कि अब मैं और पतला हो गया, तो इनको बड़ी
तुम्हें
अभी
एक्चुअली कभी कभी
आदत है.
शेम कराती फॉर लूजिंग वेट.
Yeah, it's like you're supposed to support someone, right? Like नहीं, ये हटाओ भाई, you're not बेइज्जती करा दी
तो
तुमने.
मैं पंजाबी से पंजाबी से
इट्स अ थिंग भाई. कि खाना ठुसवा दे दादी भी. वो ही कि अरे दादी तो और भी कि you're so thin, why do you want to go और thin. It's a thing with the whole family भाई.
इग्नोर इग्नोर.
वो करना पड़ा इग्नोर. ठीक है, वरना तो क्या ही हो जाता भाई जिंदगी में. और कद्दू होता
शादी
जाता
मेरी शादी भी कराएंगे यार.
था. But you were saying something about losing weight.
Yeah,
Okay.
so basically I lost a lot of like that belly because I stopped eating frequent meals, and I used to eat when मेरे energy levels are dropping, and very consciously कि now that I've मेरा पेट भर गया, I'm not eating more, I'm not stuffing myself. And so basically I lost unconsciously. I had no intention of losing weight, and I lost
Mhm.
maybe 4 or 5 kilos.
बट दैट्स
Very
ऑल्सो नॉट
healthy.
प्रैक्टिकल ना, मतलब अगर तू घर के हिसाब से देखेगा कि कि घर में खाना बना है एंड यू कांट लाइक, वो अलग बात है कि इफ यू टेल योर मॉम कि अब मेरे लिए मत बनाना है या समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट
वही टेल यू मॉम.
या
As my mom says, बन गया अब थोड़ा खा लिया, मैं ये खाना
एग्जैक्टली
वेस्ट जाएगा. No,
दैट
just
सक्स भाई.
tell your mom that no, I will not overeat no matter what.
हाँ, वो
बनना
देयर
ही
नो
नहीं.
नो हैज़ टू बी देयर कि लाइक द स्ट्रिक्ट नो कि
हाँ,
नहीं खाना है, कि अब ज़्यादा आ
no,
भी जाएगा तो
no.
मैं नहीं खाऊँगा, आप लोग को रीडिंग करनी पड़ेगी. दैट्स व्हेन दे रियलाइज़ कि हाँ, मे बी ही इज़ सीरियस, तो कम बनाएँगे, ठीक है? वरना वो बिकॉज़ मेरे को हमेशा से व्हेनेवर आई स्टार्ट डाइटिंग आई इट ऑलवेज़ यूज्ड टू बी कि अब बन गया है खा ले, अब आलू गोभी की सब्ज़ी बनी है खा ले, कोई नहीं है तो अच्छी है, टेस्टी है तो खा
ये
ले, लाइक
बनाओ ही,
ठीक
तो
है.
मैं नहीं खाऊंगा.
या सो या
Also,
दैट्स
one more thing, like mostly we have this habit of another habit which is the worst for us. We have the habit of refrigerating food
अच्छा.
and eating it.
हुँ, हुँ.
So that is now any food that is like eaten after 4 or 5 hours after it's made,
हुँ, हुँ.
even if it's like sattvic in nature or the best, like very pure in nature, if you refrigerate it and heat it will become tamasic. If you notice, when you start eating very ayurvedically, you will start seeing the life in food. ये अभी
ओह!
बना है, तुम्हें दिखता है कुछ, तुम्हें पता चल जाता है कुछ चीज रेफ्रिजरेटर, कुछ चीज अभी बनी है.
हाँ, वो तो
अभी
खाने से वो तो मेरे को हाँ.
हाँ, पीपल विल से कि दिस इज नॉट बैक्ड बाय साइंस, फूड वैल्यू सेम रहेगी.
हुँ, हुँ.
भले ही फूड वैल्यू सेम रहे, प्रोटीन कार्ब एंड फैट कंटेंट और वट एवर सेम रहे, it will not have the life force energy that I'm talking about. It will make you sleepy and lethargic just in nature, not after the meal, but thoda in nature, lazy.
हुँ, हुँ. तो द
So
लाइफ
basically,
फोर्स पार्ट डाइज़ इन द
life force will
रेफ्रिजरेटर, या.
die.
ओके,
Yes.
या. नहीं, एंड वो मेरे को ये बता कि इफ यू हैड टू चूज़ बिटवीन यू वर अ वेजिटेरियन फॉर द पास्ट ईयर एंड नाउ यू बैक टू नॉन-वेज. या, वेजिटेरियनिज़्म वर्सेस नॉन-वेजिटेरियनिज़्म, व्हाट वुड यू, हाउ वुड यू नो डू इट
But see,
कि
तुम्हें को बहुत controversial statement दे दी.
नहीं, मतलब देखना, मतलब
I
पीपल हु
mean,
आर,
I know what you're trying to say.
some people are vegetarian by choice, some people are vegetarian cause religion and all, के परिवार नहीं खाता vegetarian and something like, वो I accept कि हाँ ठीक है, तुम्हारा faith है, कोई तुम्हारा वो सब है, तो you can't eat non-veg. Some
I
people
will
are
tell
veg.
you why not to eat vegetarian food and why to eat non-veg. मतलब why not to eat non-vegetarian, why to eat, मतलब depends on the view.
Correct.
Yeah. Why do, first of all, we'll talk about why do saints, Buddhists, and everyone, why do they choose not to eat non-vegetarian food? Mainly also environmental concerns and why the
Animals की life नहीं लेनी, something like
animals
that.
feel
Yeah.
like me, which is logical. I
Logical.
understand. Animals also have emotions, man. Animals have their. Have you seen two dogs playing? They
Yeah.
will play. Two dogs will play with love. If you see it's love, ठीक है. Like every chicken will also play with love, ठीक है. But you like, uh, I'm not justifying people trying to eat non-vegetarian food. It's okay. Like if you're eating it, basically know that you're killing the life of an animal. But ठीक है, if you're okay with doing that, then
Rationalizing,
ठीक है.
you're
अभी
rationalizing, but ठीक है, okay, but chicken है,
if you're
I don't
yeah,
know. Hmm. It's
but
tasty.
I will talk about the biological aspect of it.
Hmm.
Whenever why we shouldn't eat non-vegetarian food and why I stopped for 1 year. I'm not that considerate. I don't have the willpower to stop eating food because of environmental concern or because the life of the animal. I never viewed it in that way. But some people view it in that way. उनके पास gift है. They are full of love, and if you think that you're full of love for environment in general, please do your part. ठीक है? But also why we shouldn't eat, why meditators and sadhus mostly don't eat. It is because when you're killing an animal, like I told you, animals also have emotions. They may not be as heightened, or because we are higher conscious beings with higher consciousness, my emotions are very prevalent. We have the ability to speak, show our
Show our
emotions.
emotions, yeah.
But we know when a dog is crying or when an animal is crying.
Correct.
So whenever you're killing an animal, it will release cortisol. Cortisol is stress hormone, which is there in humans also.
Correct.
The basic structure of scientifically, the basic structure of a stress hormone is not different. So
Okay.
when you are eating,
तो तुम्हें
you
स्ट्रेस
will,
भी okay.
and you have like you have what I don't know which hormones cortisol in our body, but mostly when we eat chicken, the blood of chicken and everything, cortisol is there in the bones and blood, and
Okay.
that will like, uh, this gland ko it will like cause it to release more cortisol. More cortisol will be formed in your body, and obviously formed hai, so it will get released also.
अच्छा.
इसीलिए mostly like I tell people, I cured my anxiety. I am not advocating for mental health, but I had anxiety. I couldn't sit for meditation. I couldn't. I cured it because I stopped my intake of chicken, which was eating chicken or non-veg every day.
अच्छा.
Again, I also tell people,
You started eating
don't.
अभी वापस फिर से ना non-veg.
Yes, I'll tell you why also. Because I
Okay.
wanted anger in life.
Hmm.
तो मेरे को खाना बंद हो गया. I had no passion.
So
I
that's
noticed कि I
the
had
Raj what food Raja something food.
anxiety.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
I noticed I had no anger emotion. I want the emotion of anger because I want to experience life to full.
बहुत चिल हो गया था
Right.
तू हैं ये लाइक सुपर कुछ एकदम ही सडन.
Exactly. I was so chill. I was emotionless. मेरे को बुरा ही नहीं लगता था चीज़ों में.
हाँ.
ऐसा हो गया एक टाइम पे लाइक आई वाज इन कॉलेज आई वाज नॉट ईटिंग नॉन-वेज तो इतना प्योर फूड खाता था आई वाज लाइक आई नीड टू get myself back to the passionate person who I am. And I used to do things, be alert, but I was like, okay, I don't care. It's like, anyways, that is why I left. But I don't eat it like the way I used to because every day I eat it once in 3 days. It was also very difficult to digest non-vegetarian food.
वंस
Uh,
इन 3 days तो हाँ इवन आई डू वंस इन 3 days और 4 days मतलब ठीक है. और समटाइम्स
one
लाइक
to
हफ्ता भी निकल जाता है ऐसा नहीं है कि इट्स वो
that
थिंग.
is simple. People eat eggs every day in the morning. Yeah. Obviously, you will have an anxious nature. खाओगे तो you will be anxious and angry, more angry in nature. So that is like the logic of it. Whatever emotion you eat, you will that the more production of that emotion in your body. Cortisol होगा body. Think also if you notice, like what do we eat? लोग कहते हैं chicken खाओ to build muscle
करेक्ट.
because we are literally eating muscle.
मसल.
So we are building muscle because we are eating muscle. If we eat stress, we will build more stress in our
स्ट्रेस
body.
या मेक सेंस.
But if you want to, like, if people say, ki, okay, I don't want stress, at the same time, want to eat non-vegetarian food for the protein part of it, try eating fish. If you
Fish, yeah.
want, become
That's the
pescatarian.
only non-veg animal I don't like, by the way. ठीक है. Fish is that's like nah, dude. Fish, पता नहीं. There's something. A lot of people like I have met like don't like the non-vegetarians, hardcore non-vegetarians, but they don't like fish. मेरे को ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बिल्कुल नहीं खाऊंगा वो सब, but
Food and
it's a thing.
vegetarian.
Yeah, it's a I don't know. I just don't
फिर तू मत
like
खा,
fish.
फिर तू fish मत खा. और
So
तुझे
like
लगा
वो
तू अमृतसर fish खाता होगा.
नहीं 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 फिश मेरे को पसंद नहीं है. मैं इट्स आई डोंट नो समथिंग अबाउट इट. आई जस्ट डोंट लाइक फिश. नहीं पसंद. मटन इज
Like my
गुड.
mom was
चिकन
saying,
इज गुड.
fish में fish smell आती है, taste
फिश में
आता है.
या थोड़ा फिशी लगता है
हाँ,
आई डोंट नो.
हाँ.
इट्स अ
I
थिंग.
get what you're saying. So basically, like fish is very far from human biology. So it will not, it will still like, it will not do the same things, the same feelings or in the same intensity that a chicken does. When you become like very meditative in nature, why I left chicken was not because of this, because I felt chicken. Like I got at one time, I was so much into meditation and my body became so sensitive and chicken khaya, I couldn't, पूरा मेरे को breathlessness हो जाती थी and like पूरा, I used to feel, it's not an exaggeration to say that I used to feel the emotions of a chicken.
Damn.
मैं
नहीं,
रोने लगता था.
some people also feel like after seeing those videos ना कि processing के a lot of people stop eating non-veg because of that also. कि if
Yes.
they see because I know a friend of mine कि
I've seen वो पेटा की videos, yeah.
हाँ, she saw a video of pigs burning in a pit or something and all.
हाँ,
Just like and
taxis.
रेगुलर प्रोडक्शन का वो मोड होता है. ठीक है. एंड शी क्विट नॉनवेज ऑल टुगेदर लाइक कंप्लीटली बंद ही कर दिया कि इट्स
हाँ,
इनह्यूमेन टू डू समथिंग लाइक
lots
दैट
of people do that.
समथिंग. तो
But
वो
doing it is a good thing. But I never did it because of that. I never even thought. मेरे को भी ऐसे सोचा ही नहीं. I never used to watch these videos. I was so stubborn. But
Hmm.
I only used to meditate. मेरे को बस meditate करना है. मेरे को मेरी anxiety दूर करनी है.
Hmm.
And then I used to meditate so intensely. And then I ate chicken. So my body became so sensitive that I knew what it was doing to me. It is doing the same thing to you, but because you're not very sensitive, you're not feeling it. But if you notice, कभी तेरे को गुस्सा आ जाता है, and you get
Correct.
really angry, and then
Hmm.
you stay angry for a long time.
Hmm.
मतलब मूड बिगड़ जाता है या मूड बिगड़ जाता है
Mood बिगड़ जाना हाँ like you don't stay angry as such but you're in a bad mood the whole day something like that.
yes
Hmm.
yes so
So,
because you made so much of that hormone I don't know what does that but like certain chemicals are released when we get so it is already in the blood
hmm.
so to like be more calm and not induce anger in the first place वो चीज खाओ ही मत जिससे एंगर ना आए
Very easy
अगर
way
एंगर
out हाँ खाओ मत.
एंगर में सैड नहीं हो ना सैड
हम्म.
चीजें को खाओ ही मत
मत
बट
खाओ.
जैसे मेरे को प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी आई वांटेड एंगर इन माय लाइफ आई
हाँ
स्टार्टेड ईटिंग
ज्यादा भी वो डिवॉइड ऑफ इमोशन नहीं होना ना लाइफ में कि बिल्कुल ही
इट
वो हो जा कि संत बन जाओ
it's a
बिल्कुल ही.
constant process of learning all I can say of
बढ़िया.
exploring
So on that note, do you wanna give a conclusion thing of sorts to our audience?
I want to give a conclusion. Those of you like who've listened and heard key, those of you don't believe Ayurveda, don't do it. But if
Hmm.
those of you are skeptical about it, do try
Hmm.
and see for yourself how it makes a change to your body. I would tell people to eat sattvic, but I cannot tell everyone. So do your own research and whatever I said, just research. That's all.
Correct. चलो और मेरी कंक्लूजन हो गई बी हैप्पी आई डोंट नो जो जो सुना प्लीज लाइक आई गेंड अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज फ्रॉम दिस पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्डिंग दिस तो सुनने में तो और भी मजा आएगा. थैंक
I
यू.
had a fun time.
Thank you, Aryan, for joining us. And please, guys, do hit like and share this with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks, Aryan.